before wavy lashes. For starting doing wavy lashes, you need to prepare wavy individual lashes. Now I'll show you how they looks like. You see, this is how wavy lashes looks like. If you want to know how to get them, you can buy my course, which cost only $9.99, like less than $10, where I'll show you how you can get this curl of lashes. You can see how I marked my lash tape, lash patches. So I do fox effect for this girl, like you see 75 or I think even almost half of her eyelid will be the length of 13, and then the inner half of her eyelid will be 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The same space, same quantity of this length. The length of lashes will be 0.07. Wet effect and individual lashes, like classic, depends of quality of natural lashes. This girl have a lot of thin light natural lashes because she has blonde hair. That's why I don't do more than 2 lashes per her one natural lash. I love to work with both eyes at the same time. The direction will be to the templates to make cat effect for this girl. It's pretty much easy, and the texture will be unforgettable, because especially its favorite effect for girls with a lot of details, who love interesting jewelry, who has her own style. Also, it's beautiful on curly hair girls like Gaffrey. And even if you will work not with all of her natural lashes, it will still look very full. This effect is from cosmetologists, from hairdressers, from hairstylists. If you want to know how to create this texture, I'll leave link in my bio where you can buy this small course. It's like less than an hour, but you will see all information about how to create this curl. Okay, 13 is almost done, and I'll start with 12s. Do you see how they are gorgeous? They look really full, even if you will work with half of natural lashes. Also, I love how wavy lashes looks on closed eyes, not only on the front of client. It not you can do not only the direction to the templates, you can also make doll effect, but my client has closet eyes, that's why I prefer to make fox effect for her. Also, she like long lashes, that's why 13 is it's okay, it's not too long, not too short. Okay, now I already start with 12. I mix individual 1D and spikes, 2D spikes. If you don't know how to create spikes, I'll leave the link about how to create spikes on the description. It's really easy. Okay, I can start with the inner corners. 8. You can also use 0.05 to the inner corners if you want to work with 8s, and it depends of natural lashes. Usually blonde hair girls has dry lashes, dry skin, and dark hair girls has very often has very thick lashes and very oily lashes, but the retention of blonde hair girls is usually better than the retention of brunettes. Okay, I'm almost done with 8s, mixing 8s and 9s, and from another part I work with 11s. You see how they are gorgeous, and it's pretty much easy to create this effect. Okay, last lashes. This is the result of my work, my wavy lashes. They are so gorgeous.